You've just received your Genesis Air RGS Mini. Now it's time to open up the box and see what's inside. This is the RGS Mini from Genesis Air, and inside the box is the power cord. Plug in the power cord to the side of the unit and plug in the cord to a 120 volt power supply that comes standard in North America. To turn on the unit, switch it on and then turn the knob. When you use the RGS Mini, you can set it on a table or on the floor in the room. Leave it on high speed when the room is unoccupied to clean the air fully. And if the sound of the fan becomes a problem, you can always reduce the fan speed. When you turn on the RGS Mini, it will start in the fan's highest speed, 500 CFM, and then you can reduce the speed by continuing to turn the knob. The lowest speed is 300 CFM. The decibel range for this unit is between 50 and 55 decibels.